Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1986th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Fans, Omniacs, how are you out there? YouTubers, thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you subscribe to these videos and then click the little alarm or alert button so that you are notified every time I put one of these videos out. The information in these videos are geared to be used the very next day, if not the same day. So make sure you subscribe. All right, traders, listen. The video 1986 coming at you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday. That's August 28th, 2019. We are almost out of the summer. Traders, you know this is a risky game. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first. This is certainly not suitable for all traders. Volatility has been through the roof. If you're not using stops, if you do not have risk capital earmarked to be lost in case something goes wrong, you shouldn't be playing these volatile markets. For you traders that understand the risks that are involved in this, let's get moving because I'm looking to make some money while these markets are moving. I want to make my money, baby. You want to make money too? Follow what I'm going to do because I hope that's what happens next. We have got a red Omni on the board, OMNI, S&P, Russell, NASDAQ, the usual suspects. I am here to tell you traders, flags are flying all over U.S. indices and metals charts like crazy. Metals, bull flags pointing up. The indices, bear flags pointing down. You've got lots of markets that have run into this flight to quality. 10-year notes, 30-year bonds, gold, silver, copper starting to go. You're getting flight to quality in many markets. Looks like we're getting some deterioration in our stock market. And flags are projecting like mad. These projections are still valid if the flags actually start to break and we start to move lower. Once we get out from underneath those bear flags of the indices, your projections remain valid. So keep that in mind. The projections are right here for you on the board. OMNI, S&P, NASDAQ, and the Dow. This is what should happen if those bear flags do pan out. And boy, I'll tell you, the signals are strong. Flags are everywhere. Now, these flags are massive, and you can gyrate up and down inside these flags, especially during the possibility of holiday reversal week. So make sure you trade with your stops and take quick profits. When they come your way, jump out and take the money, because with the possibility of holiday reversals, you could have flags that just jerk around for a few days. Or, of course, the flags could pan out. We could have a massive down week. Now, I'll be honest, I don't really see a lot of reversal coming in the OMNI, S&P, or Russell, or the NASDAQ that we're trading, and the gold doesn't look like it wants to break too hard. So I don't know that we're going to even see holiday reversals, but it certainly is possible, and you need to be prepared just in case. Traders, I want you to come out to OmniCamp September 19th. That is a 4-day seminar held live here in Las Vegas, taught by me personally. I will teach you the Omni. The Omni is Oscar's market navigational indicator. If you come out to Vegas, and you've got to hurry up because September 19th is when this starts. We're almost at the end of August here. So you got to get your butts out to me. You got to notify me at livewithoscar.com. 4 days of intensive training by me. I will send you home with a brand new laptop. I will program that laptop personally for you, so it's got exactly what you need, the Omni, on it, and you'll know how to use it. I will also make sure that you are in a wonderful place. By the way, your Omni camp is completely on me. Once you pay your fee to come out, your lodging is on us, your food is on us, your transportation, barring the airplane, is on us, your laptop is on us, your education is on us. Everything is included in your price. You need nothing. Just fill out an OmniCamp application at livewithoscar.com. Time is ticking. Act now. Come out to camp. With no further ado, let's go. Look at some charts. Okay, traders, these are the flags I was referring to. Dow Jones daily bar, huge bear flag. Below the 50 bar moving average, right above the 200, right? It's stuck in between. Well, now we're at the bottom quadrant of this flag, and it looks like we're getting some signals that that flag could be breaking on Wednesday. So there are flags everywhere, and if, remember this is an if, but if this flag breaks, if this flag does break down and starts to pan out, then your targets are absolutely valid of 24,810 and then 24,660. That's on your Dow Jones. Let's go look at the E-mini S&P. All right, looking at the E-mini S&P, same thing, massive bear flag. We're basically somewhere around mid-ground of that bear flag. If, once again, if this bear flag starts to break down, then I will tell you that your targets are valid. 2715 and then 2702, based on OMNI analysis of this flag once the market starts to break down out of the flag. Once this starts to happen, and you're getting a bar that looks like that underneath your flag, then the projections become valid. So, and we do have a red OMNI for trading on Wednesday. Let's see if it wants to begin. There's also the NASDAQ. Look at your NASDAQ. You've got the exact same situation, kids. Flags, flags, flags. They are flying all over the U.S. indices. The NASDAQ chart, once again, if the NASDAQ flag starts to carry through, if it pans out, if this pans out, then I'll tell you right now, your targets are absolutely valid. I think that they probably will pan out, but we'll take this one day at a time. If this starts to break this flag, your targets then become valid. Keep an eye on those. And you've got Russell to look at. Look at your Russell 2000, not much of a difference there. Except for it's more of an Oscarism known as an F flag, and you are certainly towards the bottom quadrant of that very big F flag and well below both the 50 and the 200 bar moving averages. The Russell is below both. The entire flag has been built below both of these averages. That's interesting. What do we have next? Now, I think the markets are starting to unravel here just a little bit. And one of the things that I had mentioned to you we would certainly be looking for when this unraveling began would be a long, steady, slow climb in gold that nobody understood why, and it just started to go out of nowhere. Well, that is called the flight to quality, kids, and we have been getting that in gold, and it looks very bullish for the short term and intermediate term. Yes, you'll have your pullback days, but gold inside this Oscarism known as the bull F flag looks fantastic to me. Even if it pulls back, the flag itself and the formation that we've seen tells us gold has higher levels to go. But the point is, markets are starting to show some signs. I've shown these to you in many other videos. Well, flight to quality in gold, flight to quality in silver. Look at that flight to quality. That is really starting to run. You've got flight to quality in bonds. Major flight to quality has taken place in bonds. So, you know, and as you've seen, the other markets are not as pretty. Then you have big stocks like this one. If you remember, we gave out a target on Netflix of 277, and that would start to come very soon. Well, when we gave out that target, kids, we were trading right here at this red circle. Over 300. 277 coming soon. So far, we have dropped in Netflix down to a low of 287.20, and I'm telling you, 277 is coming soon. Netflix has been a seller of rallies and remains that way. Target 277 should be coming our way. I could also show you Tesla. That doesn't look very healthy either. I'm not, you know, I don't think I'll pull it up. Maybe I will for a quick second, but let me just type it for you. Also, go take a look at Tesla. That one's not looking so good either. You might want to gander at that chart. That looks like it's got 10 points on the downside coming, as well as your Netflix going to 277. No target on Tesla. Target on Netflix is $277. Traders, join me at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you in my live trading room. So traders, you've seen the chart segment. Now you've seen the flags I'm referring to. You've seen them in other videos. They are real. They are there. They usually project. And that's what should happen. Now, will it happen? Well, if I had the answer to that, there'd be one trade left I would do, and I'd be a zillionaire, and it'd be over. But it looks like it's going to work. Make sure your stops are in case it doesn't. Join me in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. And if you need to if you don't know where to get in and out of these markets, these crazy rough and tumble markets, contact me. I'll give you my trading recommendations during the day, and you'll see where a professional gets in and out of these markets for himself. If you would like to see where I'm trading, if you want to trade with me, just contact me. Come to Live with Oscar. Find me in my live trading room, and I will give you those same trades that I'm using for myself. All right, traders, that's it. I'm out of here. Make sure you're safe, you're careful, your stops go in first. Hang out with me. Do not trade alone. Hang out with me at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room. Traders, I make this room open and free for you so that it doesn't require a credit card, and I don't ask you for a lot of information. You create a username and a password, and you jump on in. Come see me in the trading room. Allow me to teach you this craft and help to teach you how to make money with all these crazy numbers that are on the board. All right, traders, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay, and believe me, I know it's not easy, but try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.